Hi, my name is Derek O'Reilly. I work in the Carmichael Centre and I'd like to talk to you about Pqasso, P-Q-A-S-S-O, Practical Quality Assurance for Social Organisations. Pqasso is a quality assurance system and it can be used to help your organisation to improve how it runs itself and how it runs its services. What is quality assurance? Well, quality is trying to do better and trying to offer the best services you can, and quality assurance is trying to develop a systematic way of managing quality in your organisation. And Pqasso is a very useful tool for community and voluntary organisations because it is designed specifically for the community and voluntary sector. There are many quality assurance systems out there, but this one is unique in that it is designed by people working in the community and voluntary sector in the UK for the sector, and it is used in many countries now, not just in the UK. Why would you invest in quality assurance for your organisation? Principally, it is a tool to improve your effectiveness and efficiency as an organisation, and it's in your interest to make sure that you are as effective and as efficient as possible. It also reassures your various stakeholders, particularly your service users, that you are offering the best possible quality service to your various stakeholders. It also helps you to develop consistency across services, and this is particularly important if you are a multi-program organisation where you would have either different types of services or different services in different geographical locations. Pqasso will help you to bring consistency to how you run those services. It also helps you to check and prevent errors and problems occurring in your organisation, and you can preempt problems by applying Pqasso. It also helps you to set improvement targets for your organisation and also to monitor progress against any improvements you've decided to implement. It can help you to compare yourself with other organisations, and it also helps you to demonstrate quality and that you take quality seriously to both your funders and perhaps to potential funders as well. Pqasso is an off-the-shelf system, and in fact it comes in a pack. This is the Pqasso pack here, and it's quite comprehensive and very user-friendly, but it's off the shelf in that you buy the pack ready-made. Some organisations do adopt Pqasso for their uses, but by and large it's quite a good generic quality assurance system that you can use. It has a holistic and a generic approach to quality, so it covers a wide range of different aspects to your organisation. And also it is a self-assessment tool, so you are assessing your own organisation, at least initially, when you use Pqasso. It's based on evidence, so you have to actually look at hard evidence to support what you're saying about your organisation and the quality of your services. There is an option for external assessment. You can actually apply for a quality mark, and if you decide to do that, then you would invite in peer reviewers to look at your organisation from the outside and to check against what you are saying about your organisation to make sure that it is accurate. It's used extensively in the UK. It was developed by an organisation called Charities Evaluation Services UK, based in London, and it's used by a very wide range of organisations, both very small organisations and quite large complex organisations as well. The system itself is based on 12 quality areas, and this covers the whole spectrum of any organisation, starting off with planning and looking at governance, leadership, user-centred services, managing people, learning and development, managing money, resources, communications, working with others, monitoring and evaluation, and then results is the final quality area. And results is really homing in on outcomes for your organisation. It looks at outcomes from 4 different perspectives, from the point of view of your service users, the staff in your organisation, the organisation itself and the wider community, and really looking at what difference your organisation makes and what changes come about as a result of the services of your organisation. There are 3 different levels in Pqasso, so you can decide which level your organisation is at. Level 1 is for, again, more modest organisations, smaller organisations, and that will help those organisations to check are they compliant with minimal legal requirements in how they run themselves. Level 3 then is looking at a really systematic review of the organisation itself, and also looking at what measurable change you can implement for the organisation and its stakeholders. It involves self-assessment, as I've mentioned, so it involves your organisation making judgments on its own performance, and that involves different people in the organisation looking at Pqasso and commenting on whether they feel and whether they can see that you're doing what you say you do. And evidence, of course, is the key to the process, so you collect evidence systematically as you go along to show that you're meeting the standards of Pqasso. The quality mark then is awarded by Charities Evaluation Services in the UK. As I mentioned, you can actually apply to do that. Having gone through the process yourself as an organisation, you can decide if you want to do that. If you want more information on Pqasso, initially at least you can log on to www.carmichaelcentre.ie, where we have information about Pqasso itself and also training that we run on Pqasso. And then if you want more information, you can log on to www.ces-val.org.uk, and that will bring you into the website of Charities Evaluation Services UK.